Okay, hey, I'm Becky Straw, the co-founder of the Adventure Project, and I'm here today because we've been nominated for a Stay Classy Award, which is like the Grammys of the nonprofit sector, without less Kanye. But anyway, so we had our interns and staff come up with 3 reasons why you should vote for us for Best New Charity of the Year. Number 3, okay, our co-founder has 6 kids, this is Jody, and that was before 50 Shades of Grey.
Love you, Jody.
Oh my gosh. Number 2, our other co-founder, me, spent a year sleeping on couches. Wait, hashtag yep, still single. Any takers? That's inappropriate. Okay, and reason number 1 why you should vote for us for Best New Charity of the Year is in only a year and a half we've created more jobs than Romney and Obama combined. Oh my gosh!
Yes.
Okay, now you've offended everyone, but in all seriousness, we've helped create over 300 jobs around the world, which will help over 720,000 people to better health, food, and water. And we would be honored if you would just take a minute and go to stayclassy.org, go to the Eastern region, select Best New Charity of the Year and Best International Nonprofit of the Year, and help us get to the final round. We would really appreciate it. Voting ends this Thursday, so please, please vote for us and stay classy, San Diego.